Welcome back to AWS Cloud Services. In previous video, we tried to create free tier EC2 instance, and we also saw how to SSH into an instance with the help of Putty software. To revise it properly, please check my previous video. Today's topic is common for every Java developer. Every time he or she has to go for this step while setting an environment. So today we are going to see how to install Java in EC2 instance. Let's do some hands-on. Go to your console home and click on EC2. I have my one running instance. Click on instances. Copy your public address from here. Now go to your Putty software. Make sure your public IP address is placed in hostname. And as you know, the EC2 instance come up with one default user, that is EC2-user, and assign your downloaded PPK file here. Go back to session and click on save. Now you can click on open. We have successfully SSH into an instance now. Here we are going to install Java 8 version. Before installing a Java, you need to give a permission. So type sudo su, press enter. Now you are in root. As we know, we are going to install Java with yum command. So before installing a Java, you need to update yum command. This is the command to update yum. Now press enter. It's already updated. Now we are going to install Java 8 version with the yum command. This is the command which installs the Java 8 version. I will keep it in video's description for reference. Now press enter. It seems Java installation is completed. To cross-check, type java-version. Press enter. Here you can see the OpenJDK version is 1.8. This is how it's simple to install a Java on EC2 instance. That's it for today's session. In next video, we are going to deploy a RESTful application on this EC2 instance, which will be running on this Java 8 version. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends.